Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a coloring book niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. Finding a good profitable niche on KDP can be really hard, but in this video I want to show you how to find a profitable niche by direct search. Here we can also discuss about search results. When you find 2000 search results or above, then this is called a big niche, and when you find 1000 or 1000 plus, then this is called small niche, and when you find 500 results or less than 500, then this is called micro niche. So here we can discuss that is niche are of three types. First of all, big niche, second one small niche, and third one micro niche. You got the point? Big niche results 2000 plus. Small niche 1000 plus. Micro niche 5 or less than 5. So there are three types of niche: big niche, small niche, micro niche. And micro niche. So big niche called when results found 2000 plus. This is called big niche. And when results found 1000 plus, this is called small niche. When search results found 500 or less than 500, this is called micro niche. Suppose we go to Amazon marketplace. Please wait. Here we search coloring book. Then there is results shows 90,000. So this is a very competition. So here we find out our small niche or micro niche, because if you upload coloring book, then there is no possibility to sell your books. So that is why we upload where competition is less but profitable niche. Then we upload this type of niche. So this is the 90,000 results. This is called big niche. So here This big niche we are broken a little, a small niche or micro niche. Here, adult coloring book, ocean life coloring book, we can pick out the ocean coloring book, search result. Ocean coloring book. Here, this is also 10,000 results. This is also a big niche. This is also a big niche. So when find such results 2000 plus, then this is called big niche. So we do not work this type of niche. Now here is a botany coloring book. Botany coloring book. We can search this. Wow, here also shows only 397 results. 397 results. So this is a micro niche. Results shows only 500 or less than 500. This is called micro niche. So we always work micro niche. So this is 397. So botany coloring book, this is also a micro niche. So we always try to upload the book, we always try to make the book micro niche, because micro niche is a profitable niche where high demand but low competition. So here you upload your book, then sale possibility will be higher. But when you upload big niche, then sale possibility is very lower. So we always work small niche or micro niche. These two types of niche we are all time work and earn profitable money per month. So here we also find this is a botany coloring book 2022 March 20. Here botany coloring book 437 review. This is a botany coloring book 479 review. This is a botany coloring book here 437 review. BSR 53,225. So we can calculate this book income per month 53,225. So per day sales 6 and per month sales 87. So this is a profitable niche, and now we find out. Now we here is a botany coloring book. Here review is 4. So we can check out. This is a trademark and copyright check. Now we can check trademark and copyright. So when we found coloring book or activity book, before we can check the word place before the coloring book and activity book. First of all, we can check botany biology. This is a trademark, but botany teas books, then search. No teas records were found to match the criteria of your query. So this is not a trademark. And botany coloring book teas no teas records are found to match the criteria of your query. So when you found any type of niche that shows results no teas records are found to match the criteria of your query, then this book we are making and upload the Amazon KDP safely. So this is no copyright or trademark product, so we can make botany coloring book and upload Amazon KDP and per month a lot of money earning. So guys, if you if you are watching with my video for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. So in this video I will show you how to find a profitable niche, research and how to check copyright and trademark and safely upload in your book on Amazon KDP. So if you get from this video a good niche, so please like, comment and share my video. And I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more niches, more ideas and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.